Hi, my name is AINA AFZA binti SOFIAN and my matric number is 298928. So today I will present my part, which is register and login. So if you want to log in, you have to create your account first or register. Here we have first name, last name, email address and the password. The password must be minimum to 8 character, and your role you can choose author, reviewer, admin or chair. Your affiliation, your country and your category also you have to choose, which is student, academic, staff or other. Then your ORC ID is optional. Here I already fill in the information. Then after that you can click the create button. As you can see, you see the registration successfully message. Then you can log in. Here you also can see your password, whether it's right or wrong. After that, you can click the continue button. So, you can see the auto dashboard here. If you want to log in for other role, you have to log out. I already fill in the other role here, so now I want to log in as reviewer. Then check your password, whether it's right or wrong. Then click continue button. So here, reviewer dashboard for the reviewer role. Next is if you want to log in for other role, click the logout button. Next, we want to log in as admin. So don't forget to check your password, then click the continue button. Then here, the admin dashboard for the admin. Next, we try to log out. For the chair, you must to log in and fill in the information. And check your password, whether it's right or wrong, then click the continue button. Here, the chair dashboard. So that's for my part. Thank you.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is AQILAH. My job for this project is making the conferences, event, and tracks. So basically, the conferences, event, and track is divided to two sides, which is the view only and the CRUD part. So I will start from the view only. We can go to the author part. So we can go to the conferences, event, and track pages. So on this part, like as I said, it's a view only. So when on the conferences can display the event and track that related to the title, and for the event pages and track is the specification for the tracks and event. And I will explain on the CRUD part. You can go to the admin dashboard and on the conferences, event, and track. So basically we can add new conferences, event, and track, so we can see the related events and tracks on this title. So I will try to make a new one. So this is the new conferences that we just made. Basically it's empty event and track because we haven't made the event and track for these conferences. So I will try to make a new one, the event on the new conferences. So basically because the new conferences just added, so I will make it to event name, software applications. Let's save event. So we can go back to the conferences part and see it just created that software on the event that related to the conferences, and the track is so the same. New tracks, track names, conference ID 2, chair ID, description, save tracks. You can go back to the conference part and see the tracks we just created is added on the currently titles on the conference. So that's for my part. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Alex. So today I'll be presenting the scheduling module. So for this module, it has 3 pages. So different roles would have different access to the pages. So the first role would be the author role. So this is the author's credentials, and you can see over here, the pages is are sessions, rooms, and schedules. So all of these are only view only for the author over here, author dashboard. And yeah, sessions, view only, rooms, view only, and scheduling will be view only. And then to the second rule would be reviewer. So reviewer can do one of these thing only, and that is to see the sessions. I mean to do the CRUD operation for sessions. So for example, to add a session, you will click over here, new session. So title will be just a random title, and chair ID will be something that is inside of the database that is already exists. And yeah, so this is the latest one. And if you want to try and edit, you can also edit. So we can make it to update over here. Alright, update. And if you want to try and delete, you can also delete it. Delete. Alright, so yeah, the functions work well, and that is for the reviewer dashboard. And for the third role would be admin and chair. They have the same access, so I can just test one of those. So right, and for the admin it would be over here. Yeah, sessions. So we can do all of this. New session. Let's try and add a new session. New session. Share ID will be two. Let's try one. And yeah, new session added over here. And I'm gonna try and update the details. Update. Alright. Update details. Alright, there we go. And yeah, I can do everything. So we can also add a room. These are the existing room. So new room, location, 6. Capacity would be 60. Yeah, new room over here, and we can edit also to be 60. Let's try 70. Yeah, and again, if you want to delete it, we can delete it. Okay, and yeah, it's gone. And we can try and do a schedule. So schedule is based off the session. So let's try the existing session. This is the one that we added just now. Select a room. So test, room test. Calendar would be now, today, today. Okay, and it will end on 2 hours later. Yeah, and say schedule, and yeah, new session. I mean, yeah, where is it? Yeah, this over here. Yeah, then we can edit. We can make it to, let's say, different room, main hall. Just now it was test right over here, and now we edit into a room. And yeah, update schedule. Yeah, there we go, main hall. So yeah, admin and chair would have all 3 access to the pages. And yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for this part, I would like to conduct our payment and registration section as admin. So first of all, my name is HAIKAL MUIZZUDIN and my magic number is 29065. So first, we need to log in as admin. Email address HAIKAL, then put the password. Right. And then we proceed to the registration and payment session. And then we can add this is our layout admin dashboard, our registration for conference registration. So we can add, we can delete, we can edit our data. So this is our data table. This one. Then we can add, for example, this time registration author and conference, and then got user ID 1, conference ID 1, and pending. User ID 1 is referred based on our distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Then we can delete the data. For example, like this, I will delete user ID 1 HAIKAL. So the data was gone, and I can create a new one. For example, just click this one HAIKAL, then add student and conference, and then got new data. So for the payment section, we can click. This is based on our registration table. For example, registration table is for AQILAH. It said that still pending, right? So we can click this, and then we can update the payment. For example, we put she pay for 500 ringgit, then we can save the payment. And the status it will show this here, payment history, the data that we got when the admin key in the data manually. Then we put when HAIKAL as when HAIKAL want to pay some fee but still fail, so we can put the status fail based on amount 500 ringgit, and we show the status fail. We can edit this. If HAIKAL already pay the fee, we can manually edit this status. So just put paid and MRR and update the payment. So the status is paid, and we can delete the data like this. So that's all. Thank you.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Meng. My true number is 29018. Today, I would like to demo the parts, paper submission part for our project. First, this one is the auto dashboard, and this one is the auto submission, paper submission dashboard. now the author didn't submit any paper yet, so we click the submit paper, and then we can enter the title. Let's say view this website, and then we click using Angular and Spring Boot, and then we click one keywords, and then we click and select one of the PDF and click submit, and then it will display paper submitted successfully to notice that the paper is submitted. And then the author can click my papers to view the submissions, their submission, and click this one. You can see the details that's submitted, and then you can click the read manuscript to view the PDF that uploaded. Okay, it also can edit, click this one, and then maybe we can add Spring Boot and Docker, and then we click updated. The paper is updated successfully. The author also can click back the 9 papers to view that the details, the abstract is changes and or updated. So it also can delete. For example, we submit one more paper. Let's say Python, and then calculations for FIP AI, and then click one of the PDF, then click the submitted, paper submitted successfully, and then we go to my paper. If the author want to delete their paper, it just need to click the delete the rubbish bin button. Then click OK, then the submissions will be deleted. For this one is for author dashboard. Now I will navigate to the admin dashboard. So now we need to log into the admin dashboard. This one is the admin dashboard. Just now we have at the paper view website. This one is already updated in admin dashboard. For admin dashboard, the admin can view all papers that author submitted, and then it also can submit their paper and view their paper only. And for admin, it can only view the details for edit and delete just for their own paper. And then it also can view the PDF. So this is my demo.
My name is Meng, match number 299CH3. Today I will really present about the review module of my system. Firstly, there will be the review dashboard page. This page was designed for a reviewer. When the reviewer opens the page, the system will automatically load all the review assignments that are assigned to the reviewer. Each assignment will show the basic information such as which submission need to be reviewed, and also wherever the review is pending or complete. Next, it will be the review form page. This page is used when the reviewer wants to submit a reviews, and also the reviewer can give the score, write the comment or feedback, and also submit the reviews. The form is connected to the BINTI API, so when a reviewer submits the reviews, the data is set in the database. This way will ensure that the reviews are structured, and also all the required information is provided before submission. So after the submitting, the reviewer can return to the dashboard, and also the assignment status will be upgraded. This is my review page. This page is designed for a reviewer to view the reviews they had already submitted. So all the reviews were created by the reviewer will be listed here. In addition to just viewing the reviewer, this page will also support the edit and also the delete functionality. The reviewer can edit the reviews if they want to upgrade the score or also the comment, and the reviewer also can delete the reviews. These actions are handled by BINTI API, so any changes made here are reflected immediately in the system. This way will give reviewer full control over their own review.
Hello, I'm Leong. So I will continue the presentation start from my part. So in this project, I'm responsible to do the score part. So for the score, we got two separate parts. One part is for the admin and reviewer. So admin and reviewer has fully access for the score part, so they can add a new score, edit the score, and also delete the score. So this. So wait for login, and right now it's edit successful. Try delete one. So delete successful. So for the add score, we need to make sure that the review ID is exists to add a new score. So right now we check right here. So we got two review ID. So we can add the score only for the review ID that exists in this review history. Let's try one. Yeah, so this is how the score part function for adding the score by the review ID. So next we go to the author part to see the view only. So yeah, this is the author part that only can view the score and cannot edit, add or delete the score. So that is. You can refresh if you can see the score. So I think that's all for my part. Thank you very much.